standing at the edge of almost, tracing circles in the air. Every step I never took before now still echoes everywhere. I held my breath like it was safer than letting go of ground, but something in me started moving when the silence got too loud. Every doubt I try to keep is loosening its grip on me. I don't need to know the ending, just the next heartbeat. I feel my wings in flight, I'm not falling this time. I'm learning how to rise without asking why. If the sky is open wide, I don't need a sign. I finally trust the light. I feel my wings in flight. I was taught to wait for permission, for the wind to say my name, but the fear I called protection was just another cage. Now the past is getting smaller, every mile I move ahead. I don't have to be fearless, just honest with myself. If I shake, let me shake. If I'm scared, let me be. Every step into the open is becoming part of me. I won't wait for perfect weather, I won't live half a life. This is more than just a feeling, this is wings in flight. I feel my wings in flight, no turning back now. I'm already in the sky. I know it somehow. Every doubt is left behind, every fear untied. I finally trust my life. I feel my wings in
Can't remember how it started, just know how it has to end. To end. Thought I knew what right looked like back when I wore that shield. Now I see it differently, nothing's what it seems. Each name on my list, written in stone, can't stop until they're gone. This path I chose, so methodical, so precise, every move I make. No room for mercy now, no room for mistakes. Running from the person that I used to be. Everything I stood for burned away from me. Every bullet has your name, no place left to hide. Every bullet has your name, tonight you pay the price. Every bullet has your name, justice will be mine. Every bullet has your name, time to make this right. My hands won't stop shaking, but my aim stays true. One by one they're falling as I think of you. The faces of the innocent haunt me in my sleep, but I keep on hunting, promises to keep. Sometimes I see their faces, the ones I couldn't save. The line between right and wrong gets thinner every day. But I made my choice, there's no going back. This is who I am now, this is all I have.
could see past borders, past the names and lines. If we could dream a little wider, love could realign. No flags between our voices, no wars for borrowed ground. Just quiet hearts remember the common sound. I still believe in what could be if we learn to set each other free. Under the same open sky we rise, we try, reaching for something pure inside. No walls, no chains, no reasons why, just you and I beneath this open sky. What if faith was kindness? What if truth was shared?